AWS Verified Access provides secure access to corporate applications without a VPN. Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokce DB, and in this video, you're going to learn 6 things about verified access in AWS. Let's get into it. Number 1. AWS Verified Access improves security posture by validating each request in real time against predefined security parameters such as user identity, device status, and location.
Stay tuned, there's more to come.
Number 2, you can define a unique policy for each application with conditions based on identity data and device security status. This allows you to deliver a seamless user experience through virtual access without a VPN.
Giddy up.
Number 3, built on zero trust guiding principles, verified access validates every application request before granting access. It also supports AWS Web Application Firewall, helping you filter out common threats such as SQL injection and cross-site scripting.
Howdy, partner.
Number 4, verified access is seamlessly integrated with AWS IAM Identity Center. This allows end users to authenticate with SAML-based third-party identity providers. Number 5, AWS Verified Access passes signed identity context, such as user alias, to your applications. This helps you personalize your apps and removes the need to re-authenticate the user. Last but not the least, number 6. Verified access logs every access attempt so you can quickly respond to security incidents and audit requests. The service supports delivery of these logs to S3, CloudWatch logs, and Kinesis data firehose.
Attention!
In summary, verified access removes the need for a VPN, which simplifies the remote connectivity experience for end users and reduces the management complexity for IT admins. There you have it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.